Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to law enforcement administration review. In this video, we'll dive into law enforcement administration, 10 items review questions, set for A. To help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to put your expertise to the test? Challenge yourself with law enforcement questions. Strengthen your understanding of law enforcement administration. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on criminology reviews, law enforcement insights, law enforcement administration, and in-depth legal discussions. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Which of the following is an internal factor affecting patrol performance? A. Higher pay. B. Promotion opportunity. C. Endorsement by higher authorities. D. None of these. The factor influencing decision-making at an operational level where the condition is if the citizens do not report crimes to the police when service is needed falls under A. External factor. B. Community output. C. Higher pay. D. Support of the barangay officials. Which of the following best defines the word self-reliant? A. Loyalty. B. Confidence to your own. C. Trust to one another. D. Faith in God. The police patrol work in a 24-hour basis. This statement is A. True. B. False. C. Maybe. D. Confusing. What is the primary purpose of patrolling? A. Observation. B. Crime prevention. C. Called for service. D. Criminal apprehension. Among the following subdivisions of management planning, which one is concerned to establish expenditures reports to assist in making administrative decisions within the appropriations? A. Personnel. B. Specifications and purchasing procedures. C. Organizations. D. Accounting procedures. All but one are the powers of the police officers. A. Prevent the commission of the crime. B. Arrest criminal offenders. C. To investigate the commission of the crime. D. To attain an acceptable degree of peace and order. What is the step in planning which attempts to develop a plan and all facts relating to it have been gathered? A. Frame of reference. B. Analyzing the facts. C. Clarifying the facts. D. Collecting the facts. Which of the following should preservation of physical evidence fall? A. Operational procedures. B. Headquarter procedures. C. Special operating procedures. D. Field operations. All but one are the primarily line operation in police organization. A. Patrol. B. Records. C. Traffic. D. None of these. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.